Go to Filter, Neural Filters. Simply turn on Colorize and make sure Auto Color Image is checked. As you can see that it instantly does a fantastic job of colorizing this black and white photo. It even colored the eyes brilliantly and the details on the lips are just amazing. However, it has its own mistakes and is not completely accurate. To fix it, first of all, scroll down on the right and check Output as New Color Layer and hit OK. That way, you have a layer with only the color information and nothing else, which is set to the color blend mode. Now simply take the brush, zoom into a section where you want to correct the colors, pick your own color or hold the Alt key or the Option key and click to sample a color from a nearby area and paint to replace the inaccurate colors. You can also change the color of the background and fix the hair situation by first selecting the background or the subject layer with a quick selection tool selected at the top. Click on Select Subject, press Ctrl or Command Shift and I to invert the selection and create a solid color adjustment layer with this active selection. That way it'll turn out as a mask. Choose whatever color you want and guess what? Change the blend mode of this layer as well to color.